Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study English with ChatGPT. You can use this powerful tool as your personal language tutor, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Begin by asking for simple grammar rules or vocabulary definitions. For instance, you can request 5 examples of the present perfect tense or 10 synonyms for happy. This immediate feedback loop helps solidify your understanding quickly and efficiently. To enhance your writing, ChatGPT is an invaluable resource. You can ask it to generate an outline for an essay on any topic, providing a solid structure to begin. Submit your own paragraphs and request feedback on areas like sentence structure, word choice, and overall coherence. This iterative process allows you to refine your writing significantly, often improving by 20 to 30% with consistent practice. For speaking and listening, ChatGPT offers interactive opportunities. You can ask it to role-play a conversation, perhaps a job interview or ordering food, allowing you to practice your responses. Additionally, provide a long article and ask for a summary, which helps you grasp main ideas quickly, a key listening skill. You can even generate short dialogues to practice specific sounds or intonation patterns, making your speech more natural. Finally, personalize your learning journey. ChatGPT can adapt to your current English level, from beginner to advanced, providing appropriate challenges. Set small, manageable goals, like learning 5 new words daily or writing 100 words of text 3 times a week. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of prompts. The more varied your interactions, the more comprehensive your language development will be. This approach can accelerate your learning by up to 50%.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.